Alright, your boy stocked up on refreshments, and now we're gonna walk up the hill, and apparently it's gonna be like another hour's walk, so gonna get the cardio in. Man, I had leg day 2 days ago, and my hamstrings right now are killing me. Holy shit. Ay, ay, ay. It would have been nice if there was more of that mountainous region where I walk past those shacks, if there was like a more direct way to get there. That's supposed to be on the road, but it is what it is. The pilgrimage continues.
Stepped in vibes like Obi-Wan. If I'm in a rave, they show me love. Things in the pie, my rolly scuff. Love to the females holding doves. Looking at me like the chosen one. Telling Miss Cozy, if you don't know me, we can make friends. Yeah, I'm with Apex, actually like Bansar. Shoulder weight there, me and my guys like Rangers. Throwing up Quay from day one. So
is that a goose? That's a goose. Okay, it's a true goose. My experience with the geese is in Rotterdam, at the parks. And the geese in the Rotterdam parks are assholes. So that one was super chill. Probably accustomed to people, you know. But watch out with the geese, man.
Cool lot like Masons. Them man are minor or major. I don't really watch man too tough. Focus on my stunts like woo-ha. Got this game on his knees like ooh lord. Only buy it plus man,
you know what I do, man. You know what I'm on. Hey, pass me the bong. Yeah, might write me a song, no, won't take long. Then the green too strong. Yeah, if the mood too long, won't do me wrong. Probably keep me on. Yeah, probably keep me sane. No.
And like I said, yo, you can even buy bottles of gasoline here for like 40 baht a piece. That's what those bottles were. I was wondering, because I saw these odd colored bottles in Thailand. I thought it was just like some homebrew liquor, bro, but it's gasoline. 95. Buy some fruit smoothies as well for 50 baht. Some fresh coconuts most likely as well. And then if you ever get hungry, you get some authentic Thai food from this shack over here. Sawadee krap. See, I'm drenched in sweat. I'm wet as can be. It feels like Songkran. It feels literally like Songkran, man. My lower body is relatively dry, but yo, my upper body completely drenched, man.
Change, but I still got trained. No am, but I still like strains. In the sun, but I still like rain. Big art, cause I could drop a banger every day. Master of the arts, perfecting my craft. You know that I had to make them wait. I was down bad, had a little weight, had to make it shake.
If you're interested in ATV adventure, they got you covered over here. I'll showcase a sign. ATVs seem to be in really good shape, really good quality. And they have a bunch. You probably come with your whole crew, maybe, you know? And then here is the contact up here. Got the Leo beer, the drinkers, some more doggos, and the one high. Sawadee krap. Oh shit, they have elephants over here as well. Yo, that's insane. I didn't even know that they had elephants over here. Oh. They have elephants over there, but it's a little bit sad because the elephants are tied down. They're like hooked with the foot and confined to like a small area. So I don't really condone of the elephant feeding and the photos of elephants if they're just like trapped in a small ass pen, you know. But it is what it is. At the end of the day, I'm a foreigner visiting the country, so I don't really have much say. But from an animal rights standpoint, it's kind of fucked up, eh? Like there's definitely elephant sanctuaries where things are done right, but then there's like some sketchy ass elephant and then there's some sketchy ass elephants places where like elephant riding that's not animal friendly. I remember once being in Cambodia as well. We went to like this elephant like circus or some shit where the elephants perform for us, and yeah, it's not the best. South African Holland flag. Seems like there's some cannabis shops up here as well.
Then I put it down, back to the bars, I was out the way.
Different, conscious youth, but I'm ignorant. Been this way since infant. No man cursed my vision.
Different. Still old school with the biscuits. Still moved on, but he gifted. Still run.
Some of the most majestic views that I've witnessed on all of Phuket today. And just with that being said, I'm grateful to be in this beautiful country of Thailand on the beautiful island of Phuket. And I can't wait for what other adventures this place and this area have in store for me. And like I said, I'm really curious about seeing more of the rural Thailand at some point in my life. It might not be on this trip, but this and those shacks, like I said, now I'm repeating myself often, but have really set the precedent for me to explore cultures and see the areas and the places where most people don't travel and where most people don't go. Because now as I'm walking up this road, there's tons of tourists going to Big Buddha, but walk through the shacks and seeing that remote way of life has definitely been the best experience that I've had so far over here.
Time getting lifted.
Different.
Like I said, they're chained from by a really small rope, so I don't really like that aspect of it, man. It's kind of like animal abuse. They don't have much leeway or much room to move, so it's probably not a happy life for them. Elephants are relatively intelligent creatures, and yeah, not much I can do about it, but it is what it is. Definitely not going to partake in that industry, but I feel like there should be stricter regulations in terms of certain animals and what you can and you can't do, especially with elephants, man. Like, they're big creatures. As you guys saw some of the baby elephants there, it's just like they're tied by a string that's only a few inches or only a few meters, man. It's like only 1 or 2 meters that they have the leeway to move around, and they're trapped in a little cage. Like, that's no kind of life for a creature of that size and of that intelligence. But on a lighter note, let's try and, well, not forget about it. It's kind of hard to forget about, but let's just focus on the nature, man, and what we can't control. And that just goes with the life.
Different. Conscious youth, but I'm ignorant. Been this way since infant.
Yo, taxis honking and beeping, trying to pick me up, trying to tempt me, trying to knock your boy off his grind, man, off his hike. Nah, boy, we got 1.5 kilometers to go, 20 more minutes. We're in this together. We're in this to win it. I'm probably gonna split the vlog into 2 parts. I'm probably gonna make like an unseen, I hiked from Kata to Big Phuket, unseen adventures or unseen hidden gems, considering we walked past like the shacks, right? And then I'll probably make a separate vlog. Oh, I'm losing my breath. I'll make a separate vlog for the Big Buddha. Oh, I need some water when I get there, dude. I need to buy like 2 big bottles or some shit.
No man cursed my vision.
Water has never been so good as it is right now. It's the moments when you're extremely fatigued that water and hydration is always the best, man. So grateful. We're gonna save the last rations of the water until we get to the temple. Then we're probably gonna have to buy some overpriced water bottles up there. Maybe hit up a restaurant. I should have bought some more water at one of the little shops that I passed by early on. I didn't really think things through in that regard. Oh.
Different. Still old school with the biscuits. Still moved on, but you gifted. Still on time getting lifted.
Doing up pilgrims, trying to find meals in. You're my pickings, reap we sow, so I sow my different. World is yours, come my children, it's be you. Be yourself, free your mind, see the health. I've been down, leaving hell. I was shook, now I'm well. Rise and give thanks early. With a bad bee code named Shirley. And she rolls them back with 30. And I love them breasts, they perky. I like big ones, small ones, curvy. She wants sip my tea, it's earthy. I don't mind when them ones curve me. I don't mind when them ones curve me.
Yeah.
1,000 meters, so 1 kilometer. So this might be the hiking trail that I was missing. On the way back, we might not catch a grab. We might just walk down this trail. depending on the energy levels. If I can get some adequate hydration, there's a small cafe over there to get some more water bottles. If I get some more liquids in me and hydration, then I'll turn around on the way back and we'll walk down this path, see where the hell we go if I have enough memory card space. Right now I'm running out of memory card space. I didn't bring my spare one because I don't think I was going to be filming this much, to be honest.
Now options, oh shit, just another day. Getting on my boss shit, so you know I'm putting on a Jane. Camera gone.
Nice movie posters there. Some Star Wars memorabilia as well as some other ones as well. And then here we have some more restaurants. As I said, I'm probably just gonna buy some water over here, man, a few bottles, and then continue walking. I stocked up on some Gatorade, man. I'm really low on electrolytes. Just gotta hit the gym today, so that's gonna be a mission, but the views, man.
Pan picking up pen, writing down plans. Pulling, hit me up, I just hit the stew, made another jam. No bread, good head, got me dead. Burning beat, now it's toast, not to glow. On a go, couldn't cope, with no hope.
All for the views, baby.
Now we spoke it into existence. Now we worked it with the persistence. He from London, but he's so different. Yeah.
Sorry, go.
Take photo.
Oh,
Kata on viewpoint.
Huh?
Kata on viewpoint.
Ah.
Kata viewpoint.
Thank you. Oh, wow.
Wow. Yeah.
Wow. Look at this. Look at these views over here. That's amazing. All these viewpoints over here are simply to die for. So many small shops where you can so many small shops over here that have such beautiful viewpoints that if you're walking up here, if you're traveling by motorbike or even by the little red taxi thingies, buses, that's definitely worth making the excursion here if you're in the Phuket area.
Still trying to make moves, countless hours spent in the stew, giving them my all, got nothing to lose. We'll see what life is like at 22. We'll see what life is like at 22. Yeah.
And I think that's the area where I'm actually staying, is here in Kata. I don't know how this is over here. Where I left and walked from was like, I feel like I walked around a little bit instead of walking directly here. We're definitely gonna hit up the track down and hike back probably, if I'm being completely honest. I'm gonna have to check on Google Maps exactly where I am. Yeah, when I'm looking at Google Maps, this area is actually where I'm staying. I took the wrong way to get here. I walked on the road and there's a hiking path that probably leads there. So I definitely did a longer excursion, which I don't regret because I got to see the little shacks and the mountainous region over there. So everything happens for a reason. But if you guys see on the Google Maps, I kind of did a wraparound, right? I came from here and then I walked all the way around there when there is a faster method to actually get over here through the hiking trail, which we'll explore on the way down. And the journey continues. We are almost done with the pilgrimage. Actually, we're not even close because we're gonna walk back, I just realized. But we're almost done with the pilgrimage. The big Buddha over here, you can already see the head of the big Buddha. And to conserve some battery life, or to conserve some memory card space, I will catch you guys once I'm over there.
Yeah. Still trying to make moves, countless hours spent in the stew, giving them my all, got nothing to lose. We'll see what life is like at 22. We'll see what life is like at 22. Started this year the same as others. No fear, grind with the brothers. We all out here trying to spend on our mothers. Not just spend, but have them covered.
Whole a lot of ATV fun going on. And finally, we have made it to the big Buddha.
Like mum and dad, don't worry. You ain't got work anymore, retire. I know I caused you stress in the past, but watch me, you know I ain't a liar, no. Don't know the time it will take. Truth be told, am I ever gonna blow? Guess that's why it's called God's plan, cause I'd have a clue, but only he knows, yeah. Still trying to stay grateful, got food to eat and bed to sleep. Big shame, cosigns don't pay me, cause I'm getting you ones at every other week.